So, ngayon ay October 16. October 13 ng 10 p.m. dinala ako ni Daddy sa hospital kasi high blood ako kay Daddy.
Ay, pala.
High blood. May diagnose na. Nakita
May
ko na
heartache.
may heartache. Sobra-sobra. Pamamahal, bumabalik yung dugo. And now, for discharge na ako. So, 10:13 to 10:16. Tapos, si Daddy, ngayon lang din sinipag magpa-take ng urinalysis. And may result na tayo. And let's see the findings. If it's good. Color.
Like yellow,
Transparency.
clear.
pH.
6.
Woo! Specific gravity.
1.
1.101.
0.
Protein.
Negative.
Negative. Sugar.
Negative.
Negative. Microscopic analysis. Dun, 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 dun. PUSL. 0 to 1.
0 to 1.
Red blood cells.
0 to 1.
Wow. Epithelial cells view.
View.
Google natin yon.
Terial.
Epithelial view. Google natin kasi
Cells.
view. Cells. Mucus thread not seen.
Mucus.
Bacteria view.
Oh.
Yay!
Very good
Okay,
na.
kami muna kami guys.
Bye!
Hi guys! Ayun natin. Kaka-high blood lang ulit si Mami. Nice na yung bill ni Daddy. Mag-out na kami. And meron na kaming result ng Daddy, what's this? What it calls? Nasa ba? Sabi ni Mami ng tama eh. This result of?
Seminalysis.
Okay. And result is... Ta-ta-ta-ta-tan! Result is 1, 2, 3. Time of collection, 7:55. Days of abstinence, 3 days. Color, wow! Pearly white. Reference dapat pearly white na. Odor, beach-like. Bleach-like. Tama, bleach-like din. Liquefaction time, 2 hours. Less than 2 hours.
Greater than 2 hours.
Okay. Volume. Ay! 2.2.
Pasok.
Pasok sa 2 to 5 ml. Visco.
Gel-like.
Sabihin nun. Pour in droplet. What's that?
Jelly-like kasi.
Oo nga, sa'yo jelly-like. Dapat pour. First.
Oh, dapat
Tubig?
tumutulo.
Ah.
Medyo malapot to.
Sa'yo?
Mhm.
Tapos yung pH mo, pasok din. 7.5. Ang rate niya 7.2 to 8.5.
Baka ano to, parang nasa isip ko dito, dehydrated.
Dapat watery siya. Ganun.
Medyo watery. Gel-like kasi yung sa akin, medyo malapot.
Motility 56 dapat greater than 40%, so pasok. Progressive 45 32 pasok.
Greater than 32.
Non-progressive 11% wala. Non-mobility 40%.
Parang mga reference.
Normality 36%. So pasok
Greater
naman.
than 14.
Pasok naman, diba?
Morphology.
Abnormal. Abnormal si Daddy, 64%. Head, 61. Neck, 1. Ano yun? Tail, 2. Round cell, 365.
Less than 1 million per ml.
Mm-mm.
So, 365.
Ayan na, sperm concentration. Dami! Dami mo, 1.7 millions. Is that it?
Hindi, greater than 20 million dapat.
Pero millions ka po din. O, dami natin! 3.85!
Pero greater than 40 million
At
dapat.
least million, hindi thousand. Ang galing ni Daddy!
Kulang.
Ang galing ni Daddy!
Ibig sabihin kulang nga ang sperm count.
Bye guys, bye na muna. That's all for today and we need Daddy!